Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data and preparing diagnostics. First, back up the drive image or important files to an external disk or cloud so you can recover if repairs fail. Once done, log in with an administrator account and disconnect USB peripherals to avoid interference. Next, download the SSD vendor toolbox or firmware file for your model and a Windows 11 recovery ISO. These let you run health checks and prepare rescue media for low-level fixes. Now run the diagnostics and repair routines. Boot the vendor toolbox or Windows PE and run a smart health check plus a full surface scan to identify bad sectors. Note error codes. Then, in Windows 11, open an elevated command prompt and run chkdsk/f/r on the SSD volume to repair file system corruption and attempt sector recovery. After that, apply any vendor firmware updates and run the optimize drive's trim operation to restore performance. Make sure no tasks interrupt updates. Finish by restoring Windows integrity or replacing the SSD. If file system errors remain, perform a repair install using the Windows 11 ISO. This preserves apps and files while replacing system files. If Smart Reports failing attributes or surface scan shows unrecoverable sectors, immediately clone data to another drive and replace the SSD, then restore from backup. Finally, verify health and firmware. Ensure the controller uses OSI and current drivers. Run a quick benchmark to confirm performance and set up regular backups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.